Hello, students. This is your English lesson. Today, we are going to study unit number 4 from Oxford Reading Circle, book 8. So, we start our lesson. Now, read the poem together. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as edges say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why lament its fall? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win our hope a heavy sway? Yet hope again, elastic springs, unconquered though she fell, still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well, manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quill despair. Exercises A questions 1. What does transient mean and what specifically, according to the poet, is transient in life? Answer is it means temporary. The poet means that the dark and gloomy days are not going to remain forever. 2. Why is the phrase clouds of gloom apt? Look carefully at what the poet says after this. Answer is these clouds bring rain, which stands for hope and life. 3. What remark does the poet make about rain? Answer is the showers of rain make flowers bloom and everything looks bright and beautiful, so one should not lament rainfall. 4. What message is the poet trying to give us? Give evidence for your answer. Answer is we should not be sad and upset when we fall on bad days because they do not last forever. Good days will follow soon. 5. If we had to give the poem another title, what would you suggest? Think carefully about the message in the poem. The answer is if we had to give the poem another title, we would suggest the title as Hope in Life. B. Reference to context. Read these lines from the poem, then answer the questions. 1. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. A. Who is being asked to believe? Answer is the reader is asked to believe. B. Which of the following is true? The sages say they are dark. Life is not a dream. Life is not a dark dream. Answer is life is not a dream. C. What analogy does the poet use later to clarify her statement about life? Answer is a bird with golden wings strong enough to lift us out of our gloom. 2. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? A. Why do you think the words death and best begin with a capital letter? Is it for the same reason? Answer. Death has been personified and best is used for our loved ones. It is used as a collective noun. B. How might we rephrase this question so it makes perfect sense? Answer is so what if death takes away our near and dear ones? C. What emotion or feeling does the poet say we might feel by this? Answer is at such times one would feel sorrowful. D. How, according to the poet, might we overcome this condition? Answer is we might overcome this condition by remembering that this is a temporary phrase and there is still hope. C. Rhythm and rhyme. 1. What is the rhyming scheme of the poem? Is the rhyming pattern uniform? Answer is the rhyming scheme of the poem is A, B, A, B, and there is no rhyming pattern uniform. Try to think of rhyming words for the following: A. Borrow, sorrow. B. Bro, though, call. C. Fantastic, majestic. D. Noses, roses. E. Close, doors. F. Transit, Devent. D. Words and meaning. 1. Give words or phrases of your own for the following with the same meaning and use the words in sentences of your own. A. Foretells, predicts. B. Clouds of gloom, state of depression of or despair. C. Flit by, pass quickly. D. Calls away, takes away or removes. E. Day of trial, difficult time. F. Unconquered, invincible. Now sentences. A. Foretells. Willow trees breaking out into birds foretell the coming of spring. B. Clouds of gloom. You should ignore those storms of glooms that are gathering in the horizon of your mind. C. Flit by. He turned aside and saw a shadow flit by. D. Calls away. The doctor has been called away to attend a patient. E. Day of trial. We find that total numbers of day for your trial are 465. F. Unconquered. While the conquest was going on, the towns that remained unconquered gained in point of local freedom. 2. Comment on the meaning of the following as they are used in the poem. A. Our best, our near and dear ones. B. Buoyant, light in weight, that which refuses to remain down, depressed for long. C. Lament, to feel sad about. 3. Find 3 words in the poem with the prefixes for, un, and some. Then write at least 3 more words using each prefix. 4. Foretells, unconquered, sometimes. 4. Forehead, foregone, forward, unlimited, untold, unquestioned, some, somewhere, someone, somebody. 4. More prefixes. Put miss, dis, im, in, or on in front of the following. A. Behave, misbehave, loyal, disloyal, courtesy, discourtesy, mature, immature, attractive, unattractive, equal, unequal, elegant, inelegant, belief, disbelief. E. Language. You know that every sentence has a subject and a predicate. For example, he and his sister, subject, went to the cinema, predicate. Poets sometimes make life difficult for us by writing strange sentences. Find the subject in these 3 sentences. Look very hard because they are hiding in 2 and 3. 1. Life's sunny hours flit by. Sunny hours. 2. Enjoy them as they fly. The hours or time. 3. Life, believe, is not a dream. You, the addressee. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.